Pre-registration and approval from our communication service providers or CSP partners are needed before accessing Vonage Network APIs from your application. But while you wait, the Network Registry Sandbox will help you get started. It offers an immediate, secure, and compliant way to explore and experiment with our network APIs. The sandbox enables test only access to a number of live CSP networks, allowing you to use up to 5 phone numbers and only those numbers for testing. Some examples of APIs you can use are the Number Verification API and the SIM Swap API. To get started, you need to add at least one working phone number from a supported CSP to your allow list. The phone number should be from the same country as the CSP. Additionally, phone numbers added to the sandbox require manual validation via two-factor authentication from the owner of the number to be part of the sandbox. To use the sandbox, you can start in the network registry or directly create a new application for testing. Remember, this is for testing purposes only. Sometimes you may need to test network APIs from countries without live CSP support, or you might not have a SIM card from a supported CSP. In these scenarios, the virtual CSP provides a solution. It simulates CSP behavior, offering deterministic responses for fake phone numbers. It works like a live CSP but only accepts API requests with phone numbers that uses a +990 prefix, which is not assigned to any real geographic location. To enable the virtual CSP, create an application in your dashboard or use an existing one, and select Sandbox under Network API capabilities. That's it, no extra setup. Here's a SIM swap API example. The system uses a preset value of 500 hours in the past for the simulated event to simulate real-world scenarios while waiting for an actual SIM swap. If your request specifies a maximum age greater than 500 hours, you receive a true response. If less than 500 hours, you get a false response. The sandbox allows you to experiment with live data, configure up to 5 numbers, and test the number verification and SIM swap APIs. Go ahead and get started. Do you have questions? We're here to help. Join our developer community Slack to chat with other developers in our team.